And now for the next installment of our special reports on Malawi. Fertilizer can be a dirty business, and one agriculturalist in the country knows that all too well. He's making fertilizer with human urine. It may sound unappealing, but it is transforming the lives of both farmers and urban residents. Susan Mongeli has that story.
The raw materials are everywhere in every household. Everyone I see is a source of fertilizer. You are a source of fertilizer.
Goodfellow Ferry runs Urine for Wealth. He started the initiative 9 years ago.
So I started trying the urine at my home, behind my house. I had only a small garden, a matter of meters big. Now I saw that the crops were growing vibrantly, and many people came to see and to test my crops. They couldn't believe that you can eat crops supplied with urine fertilizer.
This particular fertilizer is gaining in popularity in the Malawian capital Lilongwe for both farmers and urban residents.
If someone brings a container of this size to sell to me, I will buy from that person 1,500 Malawi kwacha. Then when it's processed and packaged and finished the product, I will sell to someone 4,000 Malawi kwacha.
There's even a urine collection point at the local market now. But why human urine?
Fresh urine contains germs. Fresh urine is full of acid. That's why it smells, because it produces ammonia gas. It is not stable. So when it goes into this tank, it changes the chemical composition, but a minimum of 7 days. It moves from acid to alkaline. The pH will move beyond 7. Now, when it reaches at that level, it stops smelling bad. It has changed into salt, and all the germs are dead there. Anything that is pathogenic is not there.
It's not only free of potentially hazardous chemicals like other fertilizers, it's also cheap. Local women use the unique fertilizer to make compost, and the proceeds pay for household expenses. In the villages, farmers are encouraged at the results.
So I wanted to try on the urine product. So I have tried those for about 6 months now, and I've seen that the crops are doing better or are doing good more than the chemicals.
The project has won international awards, and government is using the fertilizer in some experimental fields. So it looks like human urine fertilizer is set to stay in Malawi. Susan Mongeli, CGTN in Lilongwe.